hymn is that? You may have recognized it as being "It Is Well With My Soul," which is one of the most beloved hymns in all of hymnody. Tomorrow, Jim Westlow on the trumpet and myself will be playing this as the special music in church. And I got to tell you, it doesn't. I could do it every week, every Sunday. I love this hymn so much. I've actually been asked to play it in both weddings and funerals. We sung this at Ron Williams' funeral just a few weekends ago. And one of my friends, when he was having his wedding, he said, "Hey, can we add a hymn? I'd really love for us all to sing 'It Is Well With My Soul.'" I made one CD that was professionally produced, and if you got it, you know that the name of it is "It Is Well With My Soul." Actually, I have two. I have a Christmas one, but it's out of print. "It Is Well With My Soul," the words were written by Horatio Spafford. And Spafford was, and his wife and children, they were going to go over to Europe, but for some reason that I can't remember, the family had to go first before him. And as they were on the boat, this was, in the 1800s, the boat sank, the ship sank. And he got word back that, there were no survivors. So he knew that his wife and children had all died. Well, he got on the ship and went to Europe. And when he got to the place in the ocean where his wife and children had died, he penned the words to this of "It Is Well With My Soul." Now, I stopped short of the verse, and all we sing in the chorus is "It is well, it is well, it is well with my soul." This is a tough time right now. We're still wearing masks. We're still doing all these things that hurt our souls. We're watching people get COVID, and we're watching people die of COVID and other things as well, and it's just so hurtful. But I would like for you to do what Spafford did and find a time in your life where things did not go well, and find out how you can make your soul well at the same time.